Hello, hello. Welcome to day 11 of the 28 days of Airstream Renovation. It's really hot out already. It's like 85 and it's only getting hotter. Anywho, lots of work to do today, so we should probably get to it. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, what's going on? We're on day 11. You better subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. I think it's time to shine. Let's get to work. Getting the first coat of paint onto the bathroom cabinet. Looking better already. Cabinet has its first coat of primer on it, and I used what I had left in my little paint thing to cover these walls with their first coat. I am a sweaty mess. It is now time for lunch and to take a shower. I'm going to come back to this after all of that. Time for a little lunch. A delicious ensalada.
Oh, hello. Yeah, I didn't go back outside. It ended up, I think it's still 90 degrees out and it's like 8 p.m. It's crazy hot out. So, I was only gonna get that little tiny bit done for today. Day 11. Kinda bunk. What are you gonna do? Tomorrow is Saturday, day 12. So I intend on doing a lot more work in the Airstream. Again, if you are not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. And yeah, I guess not every day can be that exciting. So we will see you tomorrow. All right, bye.